Namaste and welcome to today's yoga session. Today is the detox day, so let's prepare ourselves to cleanse our mind and body through today's practice. Today's positive affirmation is, I love everything about my body. And let's begin. Sit in a cross-legged position on your mat. Join your palms in front of your chest. Close your eyes and start with deep breaths in and out. Inhale and exhale completely. Come to the shorter edge of the mat and join your palms in front of your chest. Inhale and exhale. Raise your arms up. Exhale and fold forward as you fold forward, and now slowly step back into plank. Inhale, exhale and go into Chaturanga. Chin chest up into Urdhva Mukh. Raise your hips towards the sky into Adho Mukh Svanasana. Now lift your right leg and place it between your palms. Bring your palms towards your chest. Hook your left elbow to your right knee and look back. Make sure your back heel is pressed and your back knee is straight. Keep pushing the right shoulder backwards. Pressing elbow in towards the outer edge of the right thigh. Now, hold. 3, 2, 1. Slowly break. Put your left palm on the ground and extend your right palm towards the sky. And hold. 3, 2, 1. Place both your palms on the floor. Place your right leg backwards. Go back onto the Chaturanga. Chin chest up. And go into Adho Mukh Svanasana with your hip towards the sky. And hold for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Lift your left leg and bring it between your palms. Bring your palms to your chest in Namaste. Hook your right elbow to your left knee. Look back. Push your left shoulder backwards and look straight. Remember to engage your back knee. Press back heel down towards the mat and stay here for 5 counts. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Now, place your right palm on the mat with your left hand upward and look at the left hand. This is the Parshva Konasana variation. Hold for 3, 2, 1. Step back into plank. Lower yourself onto elbows, chin chest up into Urdhva Mukh Svanasana. Push your hips towards the sky into Adho Mukh Svanasana. Hold for 3, 2, 1. Bring your knees towards the ground and come on all fours. Lower your hips towards your heel. Stretch with your hands and make sure your spine is elongating. This is Shashankasana. Come back on all fours. Place your right knee before your left knee and sit back down. Raise your right hand up. Hook it to your left knee. Use your left hand for support and stretch towards the left. 3, 2, 1. And back to normal. Come back on all fours. Raise your hips towards the sky and now lower your body into Chaturanga. Chin chest up into Urdhva Mukh and raise your hips into Adho Mukh Svanasana. Come back on all fours. Now place your left knee behind your right knee. Raise your left palm. Hook it towards your right knee. Take support of your right hand and hold. 3, 2, 1. Release the pose. Come back on all fours. Push your hips towards the sky into Adho Mukh. Come back into Chaturanga. Chin chest up. Push your hips towards the sky. Release the pose and sit down. Make sure that the soles of your feet are pressing together. Make sure that they have uniform pressure. Raise your hands. Inhale and exhale. Push your knees down. This is an excellent way of opening your hip, stretching your adductors, stretching hamstring, and twisting the spine. Now hook your left palm on your right knee. Take support of your right hand and twist. Hold here for few breaths. Feel as your hips open and your inner thighs stretch. Now come back to normal. Raise your hands once again. Hook your right hand to your left knee. Take support of your left hand and stretch. Feel as your lower back and your lower body opens up. Make sure to keep pushing your knees downwards. Breathe in and breathe out. Now come back to normal. Raise your hands up again and relax. Now face the shorter end of the mat and stretch your legs along the length. Raise your hands up, exhale and twist towards your right. Place both the palms on the mat and try to touch your head to the ground. Come back up, exhale and twist towards your left. Go as low as you can. Inhale up, exhale, twist. Inhale, up. And exhale, twist. Inhale, up. This time, exhale, twist and ensure your heels don't leave the mat. Inhale, up. Exhale, twist. Heels should touch the mat. Inhale, up. Exhale, twist. Push your thighs down, heels down. Inhale, up. Exhale, twist. Thighs down, heels down. One last time. Inhale, up. Exhale, twist to the right. Push further. Come back up. And exhale, twist. Push down. Come back up. And relax. That was amazing. Bring your right thumb to your right nostril and exhale through your left nostril. Inhale deeply from your left nostril. Block it with your ring finger. And exhale with your right nostril. Inhale with the right nostril. Block it with the thumb. Exhale with your left nostril. Inhale with your left nostril. Block it with your ring finger. Now lie down on the mat. Feel and take a moment to get into a comfortable position. Relax your breath. Let your palms face the sky. Heels away from each other. Let the toes face the sides. Relax your entire body from head to toe and completely let go. Take a deep breath in. Tighten all the muscles. Hold for 3, 2, 1 and breathe out. Once again, take a deep breath in. Tighten all your muscles. Hold for 3, 2, 1 and breathe out.